So today is Monday and I have a lot to do. 1 week. Huh? Yes, so 1 week and then I can be off for a month. Yes. So I'm gonna start making some mock-up. So I did a mock-up already. Well, this is like a baby mock-up of my chocolate wrapper. So like I created that like ridge cut edge, and yeah. So I'm gonna make a full length chocolate wrapper, well 2, then I gotta color it in, and I also have to work on typography and yeah. Remember I said I cleaned my room? Yeah. This is the state of it right now. I need to tidy it up so that I can do my work. I know that I could probably clean it so I know where everything is, but when it's messy, I actually know where everything is, if that even makes sense. But yeah, I really need to clean it up.
Got milk in it.
There's always one leaf that never makes it. It never makes it. It's Friday! Yes! So that obviously means that I am halfway through my first year of online university. Whoop whoop. And I have, well, I submitted my last assessment for my first module at midnight, even though like the deadline was 12 today, but I usually do it like a day before, or yeah, around midnight. And yeah, so I have actually completed 1 out of 3 modules for this first year. So I am so relieved. I feel calm. I don't feel so stressed anymore. I feel like my headspace is in such a good positive vibe. I feel motivated. I had a lie-in and it was so good, so good. And I woke up and had a good soak, and then did some exercising because I hadn't done any like the past couple of weeks because I've been stressing out about this this course, or like this module, but finally completed it. And that's all I've been doing today, just been happy. I was a bit sad, I'm not gonna lie. Like when I submitted it, I like went to bed and I was like, oh my gosh, like, because I don't know, I have like different tutors for each module, and so I don't know if I'll ever have her again, like my tutor again, like for the 3rd module, because that one hasn't like opened up online. So I felt quite sad, and I like sent her a message and was just like, thank you so much for like all your help and support for the past couple of months, and it's been nice working with you. But yeah, so I don't know, if it just felt weird. But now I just feel so good. Just feels so good. So good. So I am going to cue the extra footage that I filmed of my final design of my chocolate wrappers, because I didn't really show much of like my design or thought process in my vlogs, because I really just couldn't be bothered to vlog because I had so much work to do. But cue the video footage. Yeah, I'm extra like that, but I was so pleased with how my wrappers turned out, and yeah. Now I have a month off from uni, so what to do. Firstly, I have to get my room in order, give a deep thorough clean, even though I did that like what, yeah, remember when I cleaned my room and it just got messy again? I am going to clean the house properly because Mum's busy working, so I did promise that I will do that. I also want to reorganize the kitchen cupboards. Then Friday my cousin will be here, which I am so excited about. I can't wait for this girl to come. Like, it's gonna be good, it's gonna be good. So let's see if I can manage to do all of this. But first I'm gonna clean my room. Oh, and watch Designated Survivor, because it is the last finale episode, final, whatever you want to say. It is the last episode, and I have a feeling this is gonna be good. Finally cleaned my room. This is what it looks like. Yes. I'm tired.
I want every container opened and searched.
Today is Sunday. Yeah, I got a face mask on. The mask of Magnum-Minty by Lush. It like gets rid of those spots, you know. So excuse the face, it'll be gone soon. But whilst I am waiting for these like wet patches to, you know, harden or dry up or whatever, I'm going to try out this air mattress to see if it will fit here. I think it will. I mean, obviously I'll move this, but I think it should fit. Like, look, I got quite a lot of room, so yeah. not bad. Hold on. Ooh. Oh. Okay. So, not bad. I mean, obviously, it's gonna be a tight squeeze, but not bad. And look, I guess I can move. Hold on. Okay, maybe not. I have to climb over the bed. But it's basically the same size as my bed. Can we open the door? Nope. Can you open the door? Oh. Hey, Mom. Yeah. It doesn't look that bad, Mom. Do you want to see it?
What?
The mattress. Not bad. So, Sarah, this is where y'all gonna be sleeping. Make sure you vote. So, there's this crow. You see it fly? Yeah, it's been like obsessed with our car. You can't even see. Oh, there we go. Look at it. Look what it's done.
What's it done?
It's been pecking at the screen. It was here like all day. And then it was here this morning. I was just like, what the fudge?
Is it just picking or is it just...
I don't know. Let's see. Oh, okay, it's gone. Oh, it's gone. We see you. We see you. We see you. Yeah, you. Yeah, you keep going because your home's going now. We're going. Adios. Bye, Felicia. Baked to perfection. Today is Thursday and I have been really busy cleaning. Remember how I said about that crow? That crow is still there. Still there. Did you hear that? I don't know. We like Googled everything to figure out why it's attracted to the car. Apparently it's because it's nice and shiny and yeah, but there we go. It's on the car. It's attacking the car like usual, trying to sit on it. I'll show you. Like, what are you doing? Leave the car alone. Like, what did the car ever do to you? So that's the bird situation. Yes, as I was saying, today is Thursday. I've been really busy and productive doing a lot of cleaning in the house. I have just put the Roomba on charge, so I'm gonna vlog that when it's ready to vacuum our house. And I just made granola as you just saw. And yeah, I still need to like clean this room because I've put all the dining table chairs in here so that it's easier for the Roomba to like move around. I also put the pictures that we've got printed at Boots of our holiday, so I'm going to show you that now. And it basically has all the pictures and places that we went to. So as you can tell, we have like Big Ben, And then this was Mexico. Let's just go from the beginning. So Egypt, Paris, Big Ben, London, Mexico, Peru, Paris, Arc de Triomphe, Mexico, Cornwall, Egypt, Miami, Mexico, Toronto, Mexico, there's a lot of Mexico. Peru, I want to say that is Peru. Yep. Egypt, Peru, Cornwall, Egypt, Niagara Falls, Mexico, London, Monkey, and the Bluffs in Scarborough, Canada. Yeah, but I really like the pictures. There's a lot of Mexico pictures, but that was our recent holiday, and I think that was the first holiday where I had like a proper camera so I could take pictures. I have edited, how many vlogs? 2 vlogs. I wish I'd done more, but I've been like so busy doing like the like organizing the house and stuff that I just, this crow is so silly. Like, look at what he's doing now. He's trying to like climb onto the window frame. Like, if I don't know, I just don't like, just move, like seriously. Like, look, see, it is such a, what the fuck. Oh yeah, I got my eyelashes done. Not so sure about it. I mean, it takes some getting used to, I guess, but like, yeah, so I got them done locally and it was really cheap. Like, really cheap. Like, I think it was like £20, I want to say. But yeah, she did a nice job. I don't know what she called it, the flick or something, so it's like longer here or like on the outside. But I know my eyelashes are like are quite long anyways, but I just wanted to see, I just wanted to try it out, you know. My cousin's gonna be here tomorrow. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Like, I can't believe this day is nearly, like, the day is nearly here. Like, it's gonna be so much fun. Like, I can't wait. What is it doing? It's got its wings like spread out, like as if it's sunbathing. Okay, now you're back to normal. Such a weird bird. Yeah, I just, birds. But yeah, I'm super excited. Oh, I'm all over the place. I'm really excited for my cousin to come, and yeah.